Good afternoon, dear young friends, viewers, learners, brothers and sisters. Today, once again, I have appeared before all of you along with a poem so called A Thing of Beauty. A poem, Thing of Beauty, written by John Keats. But today I want to discuss with all of you, especially with the students of 12th class. A Thing of Beauty is a very, very important and romantic poem. A Thing of Beauty is a very, very important romantic poem written by John Keats. Here, John Keats discusses the effect of beauty on our soul. Thus, beauty counteracts the depression caused by life's dark and gloomy aspects. Here the poet cites examples from the beauty of natural world, such as trees, flowers, legends, arts and stories. A Thing of Beauty is a very important poem, and here the poet John Keats wants to give a message to all of us. You know, the natural beauty, he specifically refers to the sun, to the moon, daffodils, which gives life a sort of meaning and significance. He also states that beauty, a thing of beauty, is joy forever. As a matter of fact, beauty you can find it everywhere. Our life is full of despondence, and if we come with the contact of nature for time being, we forget despondence, desperate, sadness, and we get a sort of meaning at the lap of nature. So, John Keats has very vividly described the beauty of nature. We cannot survive without availing the beauty of nature. The sun, the moon, daffodils. Daffodils is a flower which is not found in India, it is found in London. But its life is very short. But during a short period, its vicinity gets scented. That means our life is short or long, it doesn't matter. But we should have merit. We should have some message to provide the nation. In this poem, there is a man, shepherd, who falls in love with moon goddess Cynthia, and he wanders everywhere in the forest to search goddess Cynthia, and the beauty of moon attracts him very much, so he cannot remain silent. He becomes restless. He started wandering here and there in search of goddess Cynthia. So this poem is a very short poem, but gives a lot of meaning. John Keats writes the power of nature, and almost all human beings cannot keep themselves segregated from the beauty of nature. No doubt, John Keats died very soon. I think at the age of 23 or 4 years old. At that very time he died. But he has vividly described this poem, and almost all aspects he has touched in this poem. So this is the short summary of this poem, dear students, and next day I will explain by stanza by stanza. Thank you very much.